Guys, Melinda here again with another credit hack to help you build credit fast. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use installment loans to build credit fast. I'm not talking about going to the bank to take out a personal loan. I mean, if you already have that going, then that's totally fine. But there are a bunch of people who don't necessarily need a loan for anything, but then again, to satisfy the credit mix category, which accounts for about 10% of your FICO score, you need to make sure that you have some sort of installment loan. In this category, you are already satisfying that category if you already have like a car loan, mortgage, student loan, or any other form of loan which you should already see on your credit report. But for many others, including myself, who are new to credit, that don't want any of the loan that I've just mentioned, but still want a strong credit report, what do we actually do? So I'm going to be sharing with you two common websites that I'm currently using to report installment loan to my credit profile without actually having a loan. So basically, you sign up for an installment payment, they report the loan amount to the three major credit bureaus and also report your timely payments, and at the end of the loan period, your money they give you your money back minus any interest paid. So here they are. The first one is creditstrong.com and the second one is self.inc. It's generally called Self. I know there are others out there, but these are the ones that I personally use, and I've been using them for about 10 months now. And as long as you pay your installment on time, you should not have any problem. To support my channel, feel free to use my affiliate link, which I'm going to be adding to the caption below. It's no additional cost to you, and I hope you find this useful. If you do, please leave a comment below to show your support. Until my next video, guys, take care. Bye bye.